It starts with God creating the world and humans. Humans were made good, but with free will. They chose selfishness, which the Bible calls sin. This broke everything: relationships, peace, even human purpose. God doesn't give up. So he starts a rescue plan. He picks one man, Abraham, and builds a nation, Israel. Their job? Show the world what living with God looks like. Spoiler: sometimes they nailed it, sometimes they messed up badly. Prophets appear. They warn Israel, guide them, correct them, and promise someone amazing is coming. A Messiah, a Savior. Enter Jesus. Jesus shows up claiming to be that promised Savior. He teaches love, forgiveness, humility, and real purpose. He heals people. He flips society's values. He challenges corrupt leaders. And he says he's here to restore humans back to God. The turning point. Jesus is killed, but he said this sacrifice pays for human sins. 3 days later, he rises. His followers say, "We saw him alive." This becomes the foundation of Christianity. The movement begins. The rest of the New Testament is letters and teaching. They show how people should live, love deeply, forgive freely, help the poor, stay humble, live with faith. Final message. The Bible ends with a promise: good will win, evil will end. God will restore everything to how it was meant to be.